Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about what is EAM in maintenance. Let's jump right into it. What is EAM in maintenance? EAM stands for Enterprise Asset Management. In the context of maintenance, EAM refers to the systematic approach to managing an organization's assets, like machinery, equipment, and infrastructure, to maximize their performance and lifespan. EAM systems help organizations schedule and track maintenance activities, manage inventory, and analyze asset performance to improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and lower costs. Difference between EAM versus CMMS. Difference between EAM versus CMMS. Both EAM, Enterprise Asset Management, and CMMS, Computerized Maintenance Management System, are software solutions designed to help manage assets and maintenance activities, but they serve different scopes and purposes. Scope and functionality. CMMS focuses primarily on maintenance management. It helps track work orders, manage preventive and corrective maintenance schedules, and maintain records of repairs and inspections. Its primary goal is to ensure that maintenance activities are performed efficiently to minimize downtime and extend asset life. EAM encompasses a broader range of asset management functions, including maintenance management, but also extending to areas like asset acquisition, lifecycle management, and overall asset performance. EAM systems integrate with other enterprise systems, such as finance and procurement, and provide a more comprehensive view of asset performance and costs across the organization. Integration. CMMS typically focuses on maintenance and may operate as a standalone system or integrate with other systems to some extent. EAM, often designed to integrate with other enterprise systems, providing a more holistic view of asset management within the broader context of business operations. Features. CMMS. Features include work order management, preventive maintenance scheduling, asset tracking, inventory management, and reporting related specifically to maintenance activities. EAM includes all CMMS features, but also adds capabilities for asset lifecycle management, procurement, asset performance management, and often more advanced analytics and reporting. Scale. CMMS, typically suited for organizations with a specific focus on improving maintenance processes. EAM more suitable for larger organizations or those with complex asset management needs, providing a unified approach to managing all aspects of asset life and performance. In summary, while CMMS is primarily focused on maintenance tasks, EAM provides a more comprehensive approach to managing an organization's assets across their entire lifecycle. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.